All right, I'm starting the next load, but I didn't tell you I got a bunch of calls from Google My Business. I got to tell you, start that Google My Business page. I've got a truckload of stuff I'll show you in a little bit. It's just a trip. It's free. Post pictures on it of what you're doing. You can't lose. The other thing too that's been so cool is the people I've met that are repeat donators of steel to me, and there's so many neat people out here. It's awesome. Just keep meeting more people and you get more word of mouth and more stuff gets in the truck too. So on Saturdays, I try and get the South Bay, and this is Redondo Beach, California. Wind's coming up, chopping up the waves. It's that time of day. But wow, what a view today. Nice day, SoCal. Anyway, that's what I grabbed so far just today with Google My Business. And that's the view of the ocean. I'm blocking traffic on this busy street, but I got me an old stovetop, and I got a guy who'll take this away because my scrapyard won't take it. It's plastic, but I've got a guy who'll take it, and I just got to charge the customer a little fee for getting it out of here. So hey, let's go, Grandpa. Put it on the truck. Man, you wouldn't even believe me if I told you. Here I am, looking at the Pacific Ocean. That's Palos Verdes up there. Rats Beach is down below. Look it up. Torrance Beach right here. What a beautiful day for getting some scrap metal. I'd be better off down in some waves, but you could tell they're a little blown out right now. Let's go, Grandpa. Don't fall. Let's hustle. All right, we're strapped and we're loaded. Don't fall off the truck. Step and let's go, Grandpa. I love when they got wheels on these things, man. It helps you out a ton. All right, let's get to the next stop. Thanks for coming along, kids, on this beautiful day. All right, fam, I got to go to another location. I picked up a couple of pool pump motors. I'll put that in a separate pile. Some big old thick wire. I'll get that, hopefully get the copper out of it. Just more stuff to top off the load here. Maybe I'll put in the other truck, maybe I won't, but hey, this is just a Saturday afternoon. Appreciate you all for coming along and all the people who sent me messages to do this stuff. Catch you on the next. Happy Sunday. Man, everybody hustling today. Let's dump this stuff, Grandpa. Thanks for coming. This is stuff I picked up yesterday. Boom. All right, get it, get it, get it. Boom. And don't drive away with this hanging on the floor, Grandpa. You feel me? All right, gonna let it drop. Make sure it don't slide out. All right, here we go. Boom. Okay, Gramp. Boom. Hey, little B. Catch you later, homie. Oh man, maybe I should make this an AMSR video. You just listen to stuff going banging and clanking. Don't fall. Man, when you hear that beeping, you better watch out. Woo! Gotta keep this, don't lose this. Clear the deck, folks. Show. Oh yeah, keep it all in, don't let it fly away. Did not drop anything in the streets of Los Angeles during this trip. Woo! Get that in a moment. All right. Let's continue on. Man, this is like church, man. Everybody's showing up and working today. What's up? Make a little room here. Dude, CB radio antenna. Man, it goes on and on. Get what you can. Don't get poked in the face. Oh, baby. think it's safe to say I can put this one back. Whoop, whoop. I love bed rails. Save that for later. All right, little by little. Keep everybody safe. Make sure when I drive around, ain't nothing falling off of this thing. Whew. Little workout today, let me tell you. Now make sure it got enough and don't bang the side of your truck. There you go. All right, I like it. All right, big boy. All right, let's go. Woof. Bring that one home for good luck. All right. All right, boss, we got it all off. And hey, let's go get away, get paid, see how we did. Thank you for coming. Like and subscribe. You know how I say it. You got it. Look at this Sunday. What did we do? Tail the tape coming up. All right, this is how we did. 1,000 pounds, $88, same price, about $195 a gross ton. And again, I try to combine all these out of my area a little bit. Pickups for one day of the week, Saturday, and this turned into a very good start of the week for me. Got paid on Sunday. My yard's open on Sunday in SoCal. Sure appreciate that. Hey, catch you on the next one, and appreciate you guys so much. Be careful out there, and don't forget to hustle.